Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to prepare this yummy breakfast you're seeing on the screen. Who can guess what this is? This is not akara. Obviously it's not. Do you want to learn that? So now let me show you. Get some milk, get your pot, a little pot that you used to, a little cup, or how do you call it, kettle you used to boil your milk. Put the milk in the fire. Once you see it coming out like this, you know it's ready. Then you get your oats. This is rolled oats or coconut oats. Pour it in a plate. Add some salt, then some black pepper and some sugar. Just mix it together. These are all the dry ingredients. Thereafter, pour in the milk that you just heated. Okay, then just stir together like this. After that, pour in some chopped onion. Then I drizzle small oil, vegetable oil. Then just stir. At this time you see this consistency. This is how it ought to be. So once you have something like this, you know it's ready. Then drizzle some little oil in your pan. Let it be a non-stick pan, not so much oil, okay, just a little bit. Then you start serving it just the way you put in your akara. Then for those who don't know what akara means, bean cake, so you just pour it like this. Try to kind of turn the pan so that the oil can circulate around. Then after one side is brown or is cooked or is ready or is okay, you flip it over. You can see them here. So this is it, fully ready. But in this recipe I did two types of recipe, or I did two types of style. The other one is this. So this is it, the same one, but the only difference is that I added some egg to this one. The first one there was no egg. This I added 2 eggs. Just break it into it and whisk and stir together. Then start frying the same way you did the first one. Here is it. Why I decided to add egg, so that I can have some protein, add some protein to it as well, because kids are going to be eating it. So here is it. So yummy, yummy, yummy. Try this out and let me know how yours came out. Believe me, I think I prefer the one without eggs because it was more crunchy, but the other one is still okay too because of the protein that is involved. So that's it. Thanks so much guys for watching. If you like this recipe, kindly give it a very big thumbs up. Help us to share this video. Stay tuned for more videos. We love you. Mwah.